If liver and onions is good, what would you call it if you added bacon? I'd call it amazing. Even the AI cat thinks so. Let's cook. I like liver with just bread and butter, but here I want something more exotic. So I chose some frozen potato puffs from the grocery store. Let's get them started with a bit of oil in the pan. I'm going to cut up a 1/4 pound of bacon into bite-sized pieces. I see many recipes suggesting full rashers of bacon, but they really would need to be fried separately and then served on the side. This way the bacon is an integral part of the liver and onion dish, the wonderful taste of bacon in each forkful. Add that to the pan. Now, let's cut up a large white onion. I do like red onions, but they taste too sweet for liver in my opinion. And add the onion to the pan as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Cut the liver into slices so it'll cook thoroughly and quickly. Beef liver, calf liver, pork liver, your choice, or in this case, the butcher's choice. And let it soak in milk for a few minutes. It's said that milk makes the liver less bitter. I'm not really convinced of that, but I also want the flour to stick to the liver. Some flour into a dish. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix the garlic and pepper into the flour and coat each piece of milky liver on all sides. Let's take out the potatoes so they don't soak up all of the oil. They'll get a bit more cooking later. Give the onions and bacon another minute so the onions start to caramelize and the bacon starts to get crisp. Make room in the middle of the pan and add the liver. And a bit more oil. And turn the liver over so it gets nicely browned on each side. Don't overcook, but if it's still bloody, it's pretty gross. Say 5 minutes in all for this thickness. Turn them again. This burner really only covers the center of the pan when on low heat, so the bacon and onions don't get burned. Keep that in mind. Add back the potato puffs so they absorb some of the onion flavor. Another minute. A shake of salt to taste. Easier to add more later than it is to take it away. And I find that salting liver before it cooks makes it a bit tougher. A taste test, amazing. And serve. Enjoy. That was indeed amazing. Maybe the next time I'll add some cheese. Stay tuned. Ingredients: 1/2 pound liver, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup flour, a bit of oil, 6 ounces frozen potato puffs, 1 large onion, 1/4 pound bacon, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste.